There you go. Mambo rahisi 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 rahisi. Hi. How you doing? We're here again. Yeah? Asubuhi asubuhi na mazoezi. Hello, how you doing? Karibuni sana. Welcome to Lolwe Tv Fitness. Hey. 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 Afrofab. Good morning, good now, good afternoon, good evening, good whatever time it is, wherever you are, whichever time zone you're at. How you doing? I hope you're doing well. It could be summer where you are. It could be winter if you're here in Nairobi. It's been killing us. It's been ripping us. It's been shredding us. A lot of days like ini, we're relentless. We keep going. We keep fighting. Kila siku hatuogopi baridi. Sisi ni wale watu. Sisi ni wale wase. So as usual, you know how we check in. Of course, we check in dancing. But today we're about to play with some dumbbells. Yes. Mambo rahisi rahisi. Mambo kidogo kidogo. Today is going to be short and sweet. Short and sweet. So here we are. I've been warming up my hands before I came in. I was dancing kidogo, but join me. Swing your hands, swing your hands, swing your hands, swing your hands. They go all the way back. My hands. They go all the way. I hope you invited your sister, your brother, your mother, your uncle, your auntie, your house manager. The children wako home by then, najua wamefunga. So yes, wake them up. Yes, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Yes. I hope you said thank you to the Most High. Umeamka leo, uko na afya nzuri. You woke up, you're well. You woke up, you're still in your house. You have what you have. Sindio? Uko tu vizuri? Yes. Continue swinging your hands. Continue swinging your hands. Aya. Tap your shoulders. Yes. As you alternate your hands. Continue tapping your shoulders. Yes. Because we're about to work them a little bit more. Sindio? So, mambo rahisi rahisi, mambo boga. We said short and sweet. So I start with my yellows, the 2 kgs. Yes, the 2 kgs. Like we said, mambo rahisi. Mambo rahisi. So today we're working the hands, the shoulders. As you're working, those abs come along, and the legs as well. So place them lightly. This is how it looks like on the side, but they're lightly on your thighs. And my knees, you can see my knees are slightly bent. I'm not standing like this. So there, I have soft knees. So to smile hapa. All I need from you is 1, 2, 3. You lift, shoulder height, shoulder height. 6, 7, 8, 9. See, it's very simple. It's 2 kgs. It's 2 kgs. It's 2 kgs. Yes. So we get to do this every other time. So you can do this for 3 repetitions. So that means you're going to be having 30 of those because you're doing sets of 10. So keep going. Remember, shoulder height. Don't go above and beyond. You'll hurt your back. Yes, you'll just cause more injuries to yourself. Yes. So we go. 7, 8, stop, breathe. 9 and 10. Yes. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Remember to take breaks. Remember to rest. Kidogo. Relax your muscles. Kidogo, kidogo. If you feel that sting coming up, yes, there's some acid building up in your muscles. Don't stop moving. Keep going, keep going. Fight it. Fight the urge to stop. Maliza. It's only 10 moves. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember my knees are slightly bent. 6, shoulder height. 7. Let's go. 8, 9, and 10. If you feel like you can go for heavier, have a ball. That means you're stronger. That means your muscles actually never forget. Your muscles never forget. You just need to activate them, remind them, and before you know it, you're back to your heavier weight. So you're doing good. Again, before they were here on the thighs, now they're just on the sides, yes? So here we go on the side. Again, shoulder height, yes? So let's go. Fly, 1. Remember the knees, slightly bent, as always. Send it straight TV. Utajumiza. Sawa. 4, 5, 6, 7, flat wings. 8, 9, 10. Rest kidogo. Rest kidogo. Yani, by the time it gets to December, when this winter is over, we'll be having nice shoulders. We'll be looking good in our strapless dresses, in our bikinis. Najua mnaenda Mombasa, najua mnaenda Kisumu, wenye mnaenda Rusinga na wajua, wenye wanarudi Naivasha. So yes, whoever, like guys, I mean nowadays people build pools at the top. So carry on. This is for those shoulders, those arms, bingo arms, bye bye. Here we go, round 2. Remember, shoulder height, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, add a bonus round. Add a bonus round. I swap. I come to slightly heavier ones. These are 5 kilos. These are 5 kilos. Again, soft knees, never tight. Ati umekaa umesimama hivi. Because this cushions and it makes you don't pass shock to your body. Utajumiza mgongo, you will be feeling some type of way. So yes, so this goes here. This is what I want to do. Yes, all right. You can do one arm. You can alternate. You don't necessarily have to do. Just remember to balance it out. So we go for 10. That's 10 on each side. Yes. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The beauty of this is that you can actually do it while sitting down. So say maybe you had an injury or something. You don't have to be, what do you call it? You're immobile. You can't use your feet much. You can work out your upper body. Yes, you can strengthen your hands, your abs, your back. Usichoke, sindio? Just because you're sitting down doesn't mean you can't work out. I mean, hata ukilala, you can work out. So yes, let's go. Again, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ha! It's over. It's over. It's over. Yes. Swing, 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 swing. Relax. I know it burns. Sweet pain, I call it. Sweet pain. Sweet pain. Sweet pain. Hey. Active rest. Active rest. Alright, so we'll do curls. Tuck in your elbows. Yes? Alright, so start with one hand. 1, 2. Remember your knees. 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 more is a charm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sharing is caring. Maliza. 1, 2, 3. And my chest out. 4 and 5. Yeah. That wasn't so hard, was it? That wasn't so hard. Remember to join us each and every time you feel like. And our Facebook and our Instagram. Find us on Twitter. You can watch us on YouTube. We have many, many, many episodes for you to watch, including this one for today. And then again, if you can wake up at 5:30 in the morning, you can catch us live on Lolwe Tv. So Afrofab will be there, always guiding you through your workouts. These are very simple workouts. These are functional workouts. Things you do every day in the house. You drive a car, you sit at the table, you do laundry, you do housework, whatever it is. You just need strength for you to be able to move around. Sindio? And then again, ukijisikia unataka kuongeza volume kidogo, ongeza kilo to your heart's content. Just don't hurt yourself. Just don't hurt yourself. And then again, I mean, once this hibernation is over, you want to be looking fine. Sindio? So again, remember, share the links to your friends, to your family, to your colleagues, to your children. Show them what's happening. I know they're home right now, so it's school break. I was thinking of calling it midterm because it's 10 days, I don't understand. But we're not complaining. We're not complaining. So share the links, invite everyone, host workout parties. Yani, join us anytime, every time. Comment, continue talking to us on the socials again. Sisi ni wenyu. Again, I want to add something else. Squats. Assisted squats. Yes. You have a weight, it could be heavier. This is 5 kilos. Yes, it could be heavier. Yes. 2. Do a deep squat. 3. 4. 5. 5 more. 6. Smile. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Yes. Oh. Always find a reason to dance, yes? Here we go. Dance break, Nani. Hey. So, like we said, today our workout was very simple. We get to repeat it over and over. Minimum, I say, do reps of 3 sets. Today we did 10, yes? So you do, remember what we did? We did this, yes? Do 10, 10 each. You can do minimum, at least try and do 3 reps. So that's 10, 10, 10, that's 30. If you can add, well and good. We did the sides. Again, if you can't do it at the same time, go one by one. If you do not have the weight, do not give up. Always get the movement. Get the movement. Get the movement. If you can, shika chupa ya maji, vitu zenye uko nazo kwa nyumba. I was about to say packet ya unga, but handling that is going to be a bit tricky. Just get a little bit of weight so that you get that resistance when you're pushing up. Yes, so that it just goes over your head. Kidogo tu. Get the technique. Usikatae kusonga because, oh, sina dumbbell, oh, sina kettlebell, sina. That's being defeatist. having a defeatist attitude will not grow you. Yes? Afrofab says, have a good time, have a good day. Check us out on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. YouTube kuna episodes mingi. Find us, watch us, repeat, host watch parties. Guy, yani kila kitu. You can watch one episode like 15 times. No one will ask you. So it's from me, and again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking your time to be here with us. We appreciate you. We appreciate everything you tell us. Your feedback is highly appreciated, and tunawapenda. Hapa Lolwe TV, we had to like this. So see you again next time. Karibuni to Lolwe TV Fitness. I'm Afrofab signing out. Yes.
Okay.